if x is equal to square root of 5 plus 2, then we have to find the value of x square minus 1 upon x square. So first of all, we will find the value of 1 upon x, which is 1 upon square root of 5 plus 2. Then we will rationalize the denominator of this fraction. So we will multiply this fraction by the conjugate of square root of 5 plus 2, which is square root of 5 minus 2, and also divided by square root of 5 minus 2. Now 1 times the square root of 5 minus 2 is the square root of 5 minus 2, and in the denominator we will multiply square root of 5 plus 2 by square root of 5 minus 2. Now here we can apply the formula a plus b multiplied by a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So here we have square root of 5 in place of a, then plus and 2 in place of b. And in the second bracket we have square root of 5 in place of a, then minus sign, and then 2 in place of b. So we can apply this formula. So first we will write the numerator as it is, and square of a means square of root 5, then minus sign, and then b square, and b is 2, so we have square of 2. Now square of root of 5 minus 2 upon square root, and square can be cancelled, so we have 5 minus square of 2 is 4. So we have square root of 5 minus 2 upon 1. So the value of 1 upon x is equal to square root of 5 minus 2. Now we find the value of x plus 1 upon x. So the value of x is square root of 5 plus 2, and the value of 1 upon x is square root of 5 minus 2. So x plus 1 upon x equals square root of 5 plus square root of 5 is 2 square root of 5, and 2 minus 2 is 0. Now we find the value of x minus 1 upon x. So the value of x is square root of 5 plus 2, and the value of 1 upon x is square root of 5 minus 2. So x minus 1 upon x equals square root of 5 plus 2, and minus times square root of 5 is minus square root of 5, and minus minus plus 2. So x minus 1 upon x is equal to root 5 minus root 5 is 0, and 2 plus 2 is 4. Now we find the value of x square minus 1 upon x square, and for this we will multiply these factors, which are x plus 1 upon x and x minus 1 upon x. So x plus 1 upon x is 2 square root of 5, and x minus 1 upon x is 4, and here we can apply the formula a plus b multiplied by a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we will use this formula over here, and we can see that we have x in place of a, then plus sign, and 1 upon x in place of b, and here we have x in place of a, then minus, and 1 upon x in place of b. So we have to apply this formula, and we have a square minus b square. So we will write x square minus 1 upon x square, and 2 times 4 is 8, so we have 8 times square root of 5, and then the square of x is x square, then minus sign, the square of 1 is 1, and the square of x is x square. So the value of x square minus 1 upon x square is 8 square root of 5, and this is the required answer.